Good morning, dear children. We are going to start with English grammar. This week, today we'll be learning about grammar, a small part. So I think it will be easy for you and it is going to be very useful for you. So I think you will understand it very easily. So we'll go and see what it is what we are going to learn in grammar. Okay. So first of all, I want to ask you a question. What is a noun? So I think you all know what is a noun, isn't it? A noun is a name of a person, a place or a thing. When we name a person or a place, we call it as a noun. For example, a boy is there and we name him. Okay, he's Ram, means Ram is a noun. Okay, like for place, Delhi is a name of a place. Puducherry is a name of a place. Then person, I told you. About place, I said. About a thing. Thing, we use many things. Okay, we can see many things around us. We name them. Like table, it is a chair, and then things like that. Okay. So when we give a name to a thing, that is a noun. And then coming to the animals, we have come across many animals. Okay, we are wild animals, domestic animals. So we name them. We give a name to those animals, isn't it? For example, if you see an animal, we can't say it is an animal. It has a name. So lion, that is the name of an animal. So that is a noun. And you know what is a pronoun? A pronoun is, we have already learned this. What is a pronoun? So again we'll go see what is a pronoun. What is a pronoun? A word that is used instead of a noun. Okay, instead na nounukku badila we use a word that is called a pronoun. Okay, example. I am beautiful. She is beautiful. He is beautiful. We are beautiful. They are beautiful. You are beautiful. See here, we have used a few words instead of a noun. For example, see, I, she, he, we, they, you. These are used instead of a noun. If we are using it for noun, we say maybe a name will be given here. She means a girl. A girl name will be there. So instead of a noun, nounukku badala nama enna use pandroma, that is called a pronoun. So first I want you to understand what is a pronoun, and the next we are going to learn about what is meant by possessive pronoun. Okay. The next is the possessive pronouns. I think I have told you before about the possessive pronouns. Again, I just want to know about it, okay? So, when you know it again, it will be thorough for you and it is going to be very useful for you, okay? This is the possessive pronouns. So, we learned what is a pronoun and this is possessive pronouns. The word possessive means it is for, it is like, enakku mattum da appdinu solluvala. That is called a possessive, okay? So, here possessive pronouns. Pronoun na ungalku ipo enna theriyum, you know what is a pronoun. And what is a possessive? Possessive means it is like that are used to show a possession or ownership. So you know what is possession? Possession na avungaludaiya tagudi, adukapra ownership na avungalukku ipo ownership na avungalukku idu avungalukku uriyadu appdi nama solluvala, that is called a ownership. Okay, avungalukku uriyadu, idu ennodayadu illa, idu avungaludhu, avungalukku uriyadu, and urimai appdi solluvalle, that is called a ownership or a possession. Okay, so here possessive pronouns means pronouns that are used to show possessions or ownership. See, for examples, we are going to see what words are called as possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, theirs, his, hers, its. பாத்தீங்களா, இதெல்லாம் ஒருத்தவங்களே தான் சொல்லும், யாரையும் குரூப்பா சொல்லாது. It doesn't say about a group of people. It says about themselves. ஒருத்தவங்கள மட்டும் தான் சொல்லும். Mine na என்னுடையது, என்னது. Then yours, it is yours na avladha. It is not theirs or it is not hers or this. It is yours. Idhula nariya per irupangala. It belongs to your. The next theirs. Their na avungalukudeyadu. His na ennudeyadu. Hers avaludeyadu. Its na ella poduvanadu. It's mine. Appdinu solluvala. That is called a possessive pronoun. Okay. So this is all about a possessive pronoun. So you should never forget these children. When I ask you what is the possessive pronouns, you should be ever ready to tell that a pronoun that are used to show a possession or ownership. That is called a possessive pronouns. So I hope you know what is a noun and what is a pronoun, and now what is a possessive pronouns. This we are not going to write in the classwork note. I just wanted you all to know what is a possessive noun. And then when you complete the exercises that is in the book and in the workbook, it will be useful for you. Okay. So I'll give you the pages in the book and in the workbook. So complete all those using this possessive pronouns and complete that. Okay. In the evening, maybe on the day or in the evening, I'll give you the answers. You can check it out and correct yourself. That's all, children. This week we are not going to write anything in the classwork note. This is all we are going to complete only in the book exercise and in the workbook. Have a nice day. Thank you.